The unique color flashes and ethereal glow of opals make this gem feel like pure magic. But has your opal ever magically changed color overnight? Don't stress, it's totally normal. Opals are one of the most unique gemstones, not only because of their mesmerizing color, but also because of their chemical composition. Opals contain a significant amount of water, up to 20% in some cases. The amount of water in an opal will fluctuate over time based on factors like humidity, heat, sweat, and contact with water. When an opal gains or loses water, its color will change. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, and sometimes this subtle color change can make the opal look even more beautiful and certainly lends to the stone's mystique. But you do want to take care not to change your opal's water composition too much. Here are our top tips for opal care. Minor fluctuations in the water composition of your opal are fine, but you never want to fully submerge your gem in water. Take your opal jewelry off while showering, washing your hands, swimming, and cleaning. Avoid exposing opals to either extreme darkness or excessively bright light. Think of this stone as a houseplant requiring the utmost balance of elements to retain its natural beauty. Store your opals in a sealed container. This will help regulate humidity and reduce changes in color due to fluctuation of humidity in the air. Opals should only be cleaned with warm water and never exposed to harsh chemicals, even jewelry cleaners. Our favorite method is to dampen a soft cloth and gently rub the stones. Find your new favorite opal jewelry at localeclectic.com.